Subscribe with notifications on.
This video is actually for South Africans, and if you are a foreigner, it's okay, you can listen. If you are a South African, this video is made for you. You know, guys, I've got a serious problem. And I want to clarify the issue where people are always saying, looking at me, but now I'm lying, I'm not a South African. Well, first of all, if I'm not a South African, if I'm a foreigner, what business are you? What is your business in this whole issue? Because guys, because of now I'm a civilized person. I can call no rohabatu. I got twilight rohabatu. Maraluna, lady cat, who emotionally yaka. Libwe, come calling a tankate, Libwe lerina, Nakili foreigner. Now I'm not a South African. Hey, what? What must I do to prove to you who I'm a South African? Must I take a picture of my ID, my South African ID? Take a picture of my passport. Give me more public. I'm a South African. Eh? Some of you are saying, oh, this guy, speaking Tswana doesn't mean you're a South African. A lot of them, they speak Tswana in South Africa. Listen to me. I'm not one of those. Hey, Lord Luna. I can't South Africans na libutata, ne? Bana libutata South Africans, ne? Something. Now, guys, I'm not expecting you to love me because of Samatoma. If we're in South, you cannot love your own brother from home. If you are failing to love your own sister, your own cousin, your own niece, your own uncle, how are you gonna love me? If we're not palakurata, family akwenu. All I'm saying, guys, all I'm saying, guys, are nenka fela es jagabatu ratani. Hey, this guy is South African, this guy is a foreigner. Even if you can make a foreigner, what is your business? Even if I was a foreigner, what's eating you as me as being a foreigner? If I was a foreigner, what's eating you? What is your problem? Is it wrong for me to come out and say, you know what, to raise views about things that is happening in South Africa? Because listen to me, you are pretending yourselves. I know for a fact, Aleratani. You understand? Now guys, can a problem, man. We're taking a problem, liba tubaboruna, man. Liba tubaboruna. Where? Mara Braga. Brafan me. Apos the Tatabahogging. Eh, Braga, I'm put Tatabahogging, Joe. Eh? Tatabahogging against me. Kuhensen. Oh, come on, guys. Hi, but guys. Let's get on to the answer. Let's get on to the answer because of it's wrong what you guys are doing. It's wrong what you guys are doing. You can't just assume hello banamotu, Lebanon skin color mutona. Can't they? South Africans, all of them. Since the way say, I mean the yellow bones, Kafelabot. Give me South Africans. Oh, come on. Some of us Papa Baruna by the background Sabona and so forth. I said Tatabaruna Boni. If Papa was got a different background, I said Tatabaka. Hey Papa, how and a different background? I said Tataba how? Why no Jajabatu? Why the Jajabatu? Why little so? There you go, something for your information. Nah, Braga, Upella Braga, you go breath. Why is the breath? You go breath. Yeah, because I think you love a skuma, nigga. I'm going to send you have a skuma, you have a scare port. We're one of us to play era. You have a skuma, you have a scare port. Kim you hold go to him, Braga. At the age of maybe like that, how many years? I can't remember, maybe 16, 17, somewhere there. I don't know. But listen to me. I started my life nicely. Ko Mamelodi. Life yaka. Iko Mamelodi braga. Ke mo Cape Town no. Ke na le ntlo mo Cape Town. Ke nyetse mo Cape Town. This guy is a foreigner. This guy is a foreigner. What? Listen to his English, the way he speaks English. Even the English is offline. Listen to me. South Africans have a English. What's Barry? Barry. So. Agri. Kinyakore. Ki lego plugging a so ki lega bona ki lego bona watu ba luna le no ki we English la re no I want to see dead people. I want to see ki we English bell. No, I want to see those people, these people. You know, you speak English. You know, you must understand one thing. When you speak English, you must try to make sure you are emphasizing in each and everything you say. You emphasize, your tone must be elaborated in a very proper way. You must speak up your English. You mustn't speak your English as if you carry whitey away school or karu motolo twango metric course no is in west school. Yeah? Of course we can't be the same. I can't be like you. When my English can't be the same as you, your English can't be the same as me. We are different. We are different. You understand? Naluna artwane braga. Artwane naluna braga. Kora the thing yalu na hori libu. What? Oh, this guy. Oh, he's a foreigner. This guy. Oh, what? Hey, okay, we see background tag away. We see background tag away. We see kitu agaya mara pila away. Eh? Ah, sai ram ko braga. Sai ram ko braga family. Ah, and give my cheat hangata. Baba irangam ko. Guys, not gonna problem loan, guys. I can have tata the loan now. Langudo getting, I can have tata loan. I can have tata loan next. Oh, the braga. Keep it alive, yaga. Keep it up, piloba. Keep it like one. I guess when you move to. If they can sweat, what's again? You get quite a man. Hey. Guys, no man. It's like I'm cobra. Let's not forget about Obama. South Africans nearly hatred, man. Nearly this thing ya hatred. This thing ya hatred. Why they try about hatred? Do you know if you want to be blessed? You go with something, brother. My sister and my brother. Let me listen to me very carefully. If you want to be blessed, love your neighbor the way you love to be loved. You like to be loved. Scar over neighbor how pila bahaya bu shapu bu krebu pick up the bu krente bu pila bahaya wa simule beno mo oboro waira ulili jalasi. Yes, I am not ngata when South Africa moto hale bona moto successful ya simula la jika do the investigation and so forth. Why is that really bad to appear life sabona man? Why is that so? The jealous or what? These are also human beings. They need to be loved. God loved them the way He loves you. How? Matoto. Come on. Yeah, so guys, they understand, eh? They understand, alright. Can you go something? Obana, how the moto? Ola muchita utwa Pitori. Utwa Pitori brafami. Be utwa Sashangube or utwa Trvel or utwa, you know. Yeah, but I will talk about so shakwa. Or tango mamsi kwa. Go Trvel got that's so understand. Why is it? Hey, don't give my jita out, ne? Bashebile video now. But I will some comment section. But I'm Tom Fetch or Uzagai. But over la pila for me. Understand? But over 99 who negative guy. But I didn't think how you all know Jajaba to what because of my color skin. Because of my color skin. But I didn't think alone, guys. It well in autumn today, say, I sharp. I sharp, all about. I sharp. 20 weeks into one hurry. Over a hundred more to for me. Who's on pay for Batoba? What's the Barry? Barry so. Barry for Pilopotama Cone. Pilu how determines your future. Who Utagai or Pilumba how? How they jealous for Batoba? Honey more for Batoba. Utasogola Braga. o tla nna ntse o etela ke satane hangata o ka se robale ka nna ra o robetse so hangata o bona o tla ba le toro tse mpe kore o lore hampe because of what's again jealousy ya hao braga meaning hore mo pelong ya hao mo tletse ka bo satane braga o don't fit o tletse ka bo satane ko ba satane o wa hao o mokobe mo pelong ya hao mokobe hore o kono bitsa the Holy Spirit di se tla mo pelong ya hao a fitla a dwele a nemo a go botsa bophelo ba bo to change big time mara de mo o ira ka teng ko a go botsa bra o ka spomelle bophelo ba hao le jealous le nyo go tsama le betama batho ma foreigner ka felele kana pila ma foreigners a pila di tshonya ka pila. What are these foreigners doing to you guys? What are they doing to you? Are they taking your jobs? Why can't you go out and look for a job yourself? Something, South Africans, we all know they've got a problem at work. They are very disrespectful. The bosses reprimandiwa. He boss or only supervisor or reprimand. When I was no, if that person tried to come to you and reprimand you, you start thinking what that person hates you. Can't you know? He's just doing his job. He or she is just doing his job. It is his title to be a boss. When now about the jealousy, when you go remember about Katie, what Lamo threatening because of when. These guys they are sitting on the street, they are selling their own things, they are doing their own thing, they're doing their own hustle. Now when I was starter was similar over toy. Because of these people are you a government to Government is supposed to be the one worried about these guys who are on the street, these foreigners who are on the street. Look at your life. This is what I'm gonna do. How? Man. The thing is, man. I lang kwatisa man, wait man. Kurlang, pila lang kwatisa wait. Hey, wait man, what pila sige. Ay, ha, jo. Yo. Hi guys, agi ulo patama, ali blind, ali man linsoy pa pala pa me, ali ba safe. Ay, ali tese. Ali tese. Hey, got it all. I gotta call it up in the number one when it comes to hatred. Well, and this thing, guys. Some of us, some of us, we can't be like you. You've got the best life, the very good life. Be proud of who you are. Stop being jealous of other people. This guy, no. The way I work, I take English high. What's what? English offline. Yes. You know why you think I'm offline? Now I work with Americans, bro. I don't speak your own. I don't speak this type of English that you guys speak here in South Africa. No. When we speak to clients, we emphasize to make sure that the clients must understand what we are trying to say. I'm mumbling, you want me to speak the mumbling English so that tomorrow you can come to me and say, laugh at me. No, I'm not like that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that because of you. No, my daughter. What's wrong with these guys? What's wrong with you guys? Huh? What's your problem? Stop judging other people, guys. We've got no time for people that are complaining. We've got no time for people that are actually out there being jealous of other people. No, I don't even worry about you guys. I don't worry. You can hate me as much as you can, but it's okay. My life still goes on. I'm always going to be, successful, going ahead of my life. So stop being jealous, guys. Love one another. Love your own brothers and sisters. Stop the thing of you guys being jealous of each other. It's wrong. Jealousy is the one thing that is actually bringing sicknesses in your lives. Jealousy is sicknesses. Jealousy is poverty. Jealousy will make you suffer. Jealousy will make you sit on the street, suffer. Jealousy will make you go and eat dirty because of jealousy. Jealousy will make you have no money. Jealousy will make you be broke. Jealousy will make you be, irresponsible. Hi, my daughter. Hey guys, I don't know what to say, but anyway, it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's okay. So guys, please. Now I love you guys as South South Africans. I love you guys, and I'm not gonna hate you. No, because of when the moment I start doing that, I'm bringing the devil to come and destroy me. No, the only weapon for you, for your success, take hate out of your heart. If you do that, trust me, God is going to bless you. God is going to open the floodgates of heaven for you. God will open doors for you. Wake up in the morning and sit and say, my Father, who's art in heaven, I ask you, my Lord, to bless me, to change my situation, to change my life. When I wake up in the morning, I'm so grateful for you having given me this wonderful day today. Because you know for the fact that there are so many people that have actually never managed to see today. You are so blessed. But you are destroying your blessings because of you wanna be jealous of other people. You wanna be going out there and destroying other people. You wanna go out and hating other your own South African African brothers. Stop the hate. Stop the thing of you guys. You guys need to be told. Put prayer in front of you. Put prayer in here. Put prayer. Put God in front of you. Put God. Put Jesus here. Then you're sorted. You'll see. Floodgates of heaven will start opening. The money will come. The happiness will come. Marriages will come. Good jobs will come. Businesses will come. Come on. I don't know what to say to you guys. But anyway, it's okay. Guys, Machita. All right. I hope I cleared the air. If there's a problem, on a little tata, I get out. I get a brave from me. I what I get a sharp. Sharp gymnastic away. I get born. Gymnander. I get crane. The crane to go in. I get crane too much. Hey guys, those who doesn't understand my language, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. But please, I'm not gonna translate this, but I understand because I did this for South Africans. I believe there are those South Africans who understand what I was saying. You know, you know, yeah. But anyway, it's okay. At la kopana hapa guys. Communicate every day. You know, Africans will keep on bargaining herself. Yeah, bargaining. Yeah. You know, Marongutile. Ngutile braga. Kim fana Pitori. Kim fana Pitori na yago trau katliera the air and everything. Kim fana Pitori, Kim fana go mahlanye. Kolom muntibella hampe braga. Tolontibella hampe uri na nagile foreigner. Hey, what? Listen, I don't worry. Foreigners are also human beings. Yeah? If I'm a foreigner, so what? So what? If I'm a foreigner